How to book with Expedia rewards or Expedia points on Expedia? Well, to book with Expedia rewards points, sign into your Expedia account and search for eligible hotels, flights, car rentals, or activities and select Pay Now at checkout option. So, for example, you want to select stays, then you can search for stays, right? Then you want to select the particular eligible hotels or anything. So, I'm looking here for eligible ones. Then here, what you can do is here once you have found it, you want to proceed to book it and you want to proceed to pay now. So you can't select pay later option, you'll have to select pay now option. So select reserved and pay now option. Then once you choose pay now option, either before or during the checkout process also as well, then at the payment screen you'll find the option to use my points. So if you do have points, you'll get the option to use points. Here, unfortunately, I don't have any points, but this is how you can easily use your Expedia points to pay for booking. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.